Hey, we're on this radio station coming through telepathically, 1440 AM, and you will say things like "Rip the Jacker" from Cannabis's album, and you can hear it coming through. Because we were imagining it, the sound of that was stuck in my head yesterday or something, and from one of his albums, but some song, I don't know, but we're gonna try to do the Magi Koopa sound effect when he uses his wand, and like sound effects, we're just gonna imagine them, and they come through in the radio, we found out, and I'm attached to V2K or something, so I don't know if that's interfering, helping us interfere or not. Or if it's just straight up telepathy, because a lot of people we've heard appear on here, we described on here, yeah, never mind, how to send telepathic messages to us on this station. So, yeah, other people started